Good Thursday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your weather podcast for this March 5th, an overwhelming winter storm. I've been camped out here all night because I knew I wouldn't make it back into work this morning unless I stayed here, but got a little bit of sleep. But, man, it's just been – to watch these snow totals is just incredible. 19 inches of snow on the ground at Falls of Rough. At Rough River Lake. That's on the Breckenridge-Grayson County line. We've had reports of 16 inches over in Greenville and Muhlenberg County. Ohio County, Beaver Dam, 16 inches of snow. Once you get up toward Metro Louisville, Shelbyville, 19 inches of snow. And closer to 20 inches of snow. It's just, I mean, it's overperformed what anybody thought. And it's still coming down. It looks like this snow will continue for the rest of the morning until about late morning. We'll begin to see a cutoff and then maybe even some sunshine this afternoon, but temperatures will not get above freezing at all. In fact, travel is discouraged. Kentucky State Police say do not get out. Now, some of you to the east and southeast of us toward the Lake Cumberland area and the Green River Lake, you're saying, what are you talking about? All we've had is just a little bit of sleet. Oh, it's coming. It's coming your way. And that's the thing. The sleet for several hours kept our snow totals lower here in Bowling Green. So far, as of 4:30, we have 5 inches of snow on the ground here in Bowling Green, and there's hardly any once you go out the Cumberland Parkway and toward the Lake Cumberland area, but your chance is coming. Before the morning is over, you'll be getting snow as well. The winter storm warning continues until noon today, and for significant amounts of snow that are still coming down. Now, I've been updating folks live on WBKO every half hour. I've got another update coming up at 5, so I'm going to make this short. Yesterday's high was 53 degrees. That was just after midnight. And then the temperatures fell, of course, and the rain started to move in. 56 is the average. 23 was our low just before midnight. But the temperatures continue to fall. The winds are picking up. There's concern over the weight of ice and snow and the heavy rain. And we could be looking at some problems there. Problems with possible freezing pipes tonight as we get down into the single digits. It could be a near record low temperature set tonight with the snowpack on the ground and clearing skies. That's going to bring the temperatures down to near zero in a lot of cases. Down to 3 is what we're calling for tonight. Snow until midday and then clearing in the afternoon. Partly cloudy, very cold tonight, single digits. And then Friday, mostly sunny. We get up to near 30, but that's still not above freezing. So we may see a little melting from the sun, but not much. We will see a lot of melting take place by Saturday. That's when we're going to see highs in the mid-40s and a lot of sunshine. In fact, the weekend, beginning of next week, look great. We're going to see a lot of melting take place. Spring-like temperatures will be coming in. It is daylight saving time weekend. Sunday is when we set our clocks ahead 1 hour, spring forward. We're looking at 47 on Sunday, 52 on Monday, 58 on Tuesday with a slight chance of showers. Wednesday, a chance of a shower all the way up to 64 degrees. A big pattern change is coming for the weekend and into next week. I don't see any more winter storms. In fact, things are going to warm up very nicely into next week. So this may be it. This could be the last. What do I got to do? Rub a rabbit's foot, pick up a 4-leaf clover. What have I got to do to make this the last winter storm we deal with this year? Hopefully so. Hopefully so. Well, again, travel is heavily discouraged. Do not get out. Some of you may not be able to get out for several days, even after it starts to warm up because of the just incredible amounts of snow that are out there this morning. Live updates coming up at 5:30 right here on AM Kentucky. Thanks for listening. God bless. Know the weather before it knows you. I'll see you a little bit later.